President Ramnath Kovind will be on 4-day visit to Uttar Pradesh from Thursday. He will visit Gorakhpur and Ayodhya along with Lucknow. The president of the country is on his second visit to Uttar Pradesh in 2 months. Earlier, he had a 5-day visit to Kanpur, Kanpur Dehat and Lucknow in June. On the other hand, President Ramnath Kovind has programmed in 3 cities during his 4-day visit to Uttar Pradesh. Along with Lucknow, he also programs in Gorakhpur and Ayodhya. During this, he will stay in the program for 2 days in Lucknow. At the same time, his night stay will remain in Lucknow. President Ramnath Kovind landed at Chaudhry Charan Singh International Airport, MOC in the capital Lucknow at 11:30 in the day. There, Governor Anandiben Patel, Chief Minister Honorable Yogi Adityanath ji and his cabinet colleagues and Lucknow Mayor Sanyukta Bhatia will welcome him. The president will reach Raj Bhavan directly from the airport. He will attend the initiation ceremony of Baba Saheb Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Central University in Lucknow on Thursday evening as the chief guest. President Ramnath Kovind will give gold medals to 7 meritorious students at the initiation ceremony of Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar Central University. Along with this, he will confirm an honorary doctorate in science to social worker and engineer Sonam Wangchuk. In the ceremony to be held in the presence of special guest Governor Anandiben Patel and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath ji, 132 meritorious people will get gold medals. The president will give gold medals to only 7 out of 132 meritorious people. On the other hand, Bhavanu Pratap, Priyanka Gautam of graduation, Subham Misra and Pooja Meena of masters, Sanya and Niharika of MPhil, Anju Rawat will get PhD, Sonkar get gold medal in the hands of by the president, about which there is enthusiasm among the students. Along with this, social worker and engineer Sonam Wangchuk will also be given an honorary doctorate degree in science. President Ramnath Kovind will garland the statue of Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar at 5 p.m. After this, the ceremony will begin with an academic procession at Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee Prekshagrah. After this, the president will address the ceremony by giving medals to the meritorious. Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee will have to come an hour before the ceremony to be held in the auditorium. Students and guests attending the event will have to bring the RT-PCR test report. The president's address here will be from 5:40 p.m. After this, he will reach Raj Bhavan at 6:15 a.m. Let us inform that President Ramnath Kovind will attend the program of completion of 75 years of school at 10:50 a.m. on Friday at Paramveer Chakra winner Captain Manoj Pandey Sainik School, Sarojini Nagar. Today, President Ramnath Kovind will have a 60-minute program at Captain Manoj Pandey UP Sainik School. The President will lay the foundation stone for the construction of a hostel for girls here. Along with Captain Manoj Pandey, Sainik School will release the postal stamp on the 75th birth anniversary of UP Sainik School. The President will inaugurate the modern auditorium of the school with a capacity of 1000. At the same time, the students and student cadets will give a guard of honor to the President. Children of Sainik School will present a cultural program here. The president will review the documentary based on the journey of this first Sainik School of the country from the year 1960 till now. After this, there will be an address by Governor Anandiben Patel and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. President Ramnath Kovind will attend the Diamond Jubilee Year celebration at Captain Manoj Pandey UP Sainik School on August 27. Recently, the Supreme Court has also given instruction for the entry of girls in NDA. After this move of the Supreme Court, the arrival of the President has doubled the happiness of the girl student at Sainik School. Student Anubhuti said that seeing the first citizen of the country in her mindset is no less than an achievement. Subhangi says it is a matter of pride for the school. Aditi Singh told that the president will also lay the foundation of the girls' hostel here. Parul says that the children will get inspiration from the President. Ramnath Kovind will also attend the 26th convocation of Sanjay Gandhi PGIE Lucknow on Friday. Here too, his program of about 1 hour will be held from 5 to 6 in the evening. The degree will be awarded to the students at the ceremony. In addition, these excellence award will be given Professor S.R. Naik Award for Outstanding Investigator, Professor S.S. Agarwal Award for Excellence Research Award and Professor R.K. Sharma Best DM Student Award will also be given to on this occasion. These names will be announced during the ceremony itself. The Resident Doctor Association said that following the protocol, the degree should be obtained from the hands of the President or the Governor. There will be no rehearsal for awarding the degree. It was told that the degree will be distributed later. A photo session would be conducted with the President. On the third day of the Uttar Pradesh tour, President Ramnath Kovind will visit Gorakhpur on August 28. Here he has the program to lay the foundation stone of Ayush University and inaugurate the hospital building in Guru Goraknath University. The President will return to Lucknow in the evening after the Gorakhpur program on 20th. After this, 29th August will leave from Charbagh station in Lucknow at 9 in the morning for Ayodhya by presidential train. His arrival in Ayodhya will be at 11:30. Here he has a program of darshan and pujan. After this, he will return to Lucknow by presidential train. At the same time, due to the operation of the presidential train on August 29, the railway will stop the operation of all trains from Lucknow to Adda for 6 hours. The President will go from Lucknow to Ayodhya at 9 am. During this, the routes of many important trains will be changed. President Ramnath Kovind will be on a 4-day tour of 3 cities in Uttar Pradesh from today.